In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off marketing emails on Coinbase. If your inbox is filling up with promotions and updates you don't need, this quick walkthrough will help you silence those marketing messages while still keeping important security and account alerts intact. You can do this on either the Coinbase website or the mobile app, and the process is nearly identical in both places. First, open Coinbase on your browser or launch the app and sign into your account. Make sure you're on the official Coinbase experience to protect your information. If you need the official app or the website link, I've placed them right at the top of the description so you can download or visit directly and avoid any lookalike sites. Once you're in, head to your account area by tapping or clicking your profile icon. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the upper right corner. On mobile, it's typically in the bottom navigation or at the top of your screen depending on your device. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Coinbase groups your account, security, and notification preferences. Inside Settings, locate the Notifications section. This is the control center for what Coinbase can send you by email, push, or both. It's organized so you can quickly see categories of messages and toggle them on or off without hunting through multiple screens. Now find the category labeled Offers and Announcements. This is the setting that governs promotional and marketing communications like product announcements, special offers, and educational campaigns. Switch this toggle to Off. As soon as you do, you're telling Coinbase you no longer want to receive marketing emails. Don't worry, this won't impact critical messages such as sign-in alerts, security notices, transaction confirmations, or regulatory updates. Those will continue to arrive, as they're important for your account's safety and records. Your change is typically saved automatically, so there's no extra button to press. In most cases, you'll stop receiving marketing emails within a few days. Because some campaigns are scheduled in advance, you might see a message or two slip through shortly after you make the change, but that should taper off quickly. If you manage more than one Coinbase account, make sure you're signed in to the one whose settings you want to adjust, and verify the toggle shows as off. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your inbox. If it did, feel free to share it with someone who could use the tip, and check the top of the description for the official download and website links.